going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, as anticipated, we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max unboxing in all the colors. Now, I know you guys love these. I do them every year and I try to keep up as much as possible. This year is actually pretty easy. We only have 3 colorways, unfortunately. I know a lot of people were looking forward to maybe like a black colorway or like a white gold colorway, but this time around Apple really decided to stick with 3 major colorways, notably with a safe silver colorway and their brand new cosmic orange that's creating a lot of buzz online. I'm going to be opening these for you guys and we're going to have a top-down shot. I'm actually going to have a side shot as well so you can see my face cam. Now, if you stumbled upon this video and it's your first time here on the channel, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It's going to really help me out. We're really trying to grow the channel out, but I don't want to bore you guys with all that stuff, so let's jump right into the video. All right, so I tried to set this up as nice as possible. We have a side shot here and we have the main top-down shot. Now, what I tried to do this time around is I have a small light here, which is not too powerful, just so you can get the best possible viewing experience. We're also right in front of a window, so it's going to be as accurate as possible. I'm also going to have some B-roll shots towards the end of the video if you guys want to see them like in an outdoor context, just so you can get the best idea possible, because I know you're probably watching this before you're buying the phone. So with all that being said, let's jump into the first one. So let's put these two ones to the side, as I think they're kind of like the more standard colors, and we're going to get into the cosmic orange one here. This is one of the more controversial colors, I would say. It's definitely like, now you'll see I have already peeled the tabs off. I kind of had a peek at this because I did a video on this, on unboxing and whatever. So if you guys want to see kind of like the whole process of that, you can go and check it out on my channel. It'll be probably the video before this one. But this is the cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. Listen, I gotta be honest, right off the bat, it's not for everyone. You will either love it or you will hate it. It just really depends on what kind of person you are. Do you want to have something super colorful and flashy? Do you want to make a statement piece with your iPhone, or do you want something more neutral, more subtle? Which is probably going to be one of the 2 other options. Since there's only 3 this time around, you're really going to have to kind of like settle for one of the colorways. But 17 Pro Max Cosmic Orange, I'll try to have a bit of a closer shot here so you guys can have a quick look at it. In terms of glare and reflection, it's not all too bad. It holds up pretty well. I mean, this orange is kind of like metallic in a sense. Now, this is a new body. Obviously, you're gonna find this 2-tone pattern on all of these phones. I think notably from what I can see here on the case, the one on the silver is definitely gonna stick out like a sore thumb. But yeah, now we have this kind of like big island here at the top. They've redesigned the phone just so it fits a little bit better. But again, more details on all of that. Let's peel the screen off here. You'll see this one, I opened it up already. I'm gonna be setting it up for another video, but this is kind of what the cosmic orange looks like. This is what the sides look like. You'll see here the big camera cutout. And then as you'll see, there's this big new pill here at the top, which is probably one of the new antenna bands that you'll see across the phone here. But we have returning features, obviously, camera control, as you'll see here on the side. It is now also color coded, I mean, as you would expect. So that was the orange one. Now let's jump into the deep blue. I'm actually really curious to see what this one looks like in person. You'll have a quick preview here, but I'm pretty sure that the in-person experience is a lot nicer. We're gonna jump right into it. Now, despite being a slight lack of colors this year, I do have to say that the colors they gave us are pretty good. I mean, there's one for everybody. You want a flashy one, get the orange one. You want a simple one, get the deep blue or the silver, and that's it. I mean, let's just jump into this deep blue. Okay, now right off the bat, especially from the conditions and the situation that I'm in right now, in some lightings, it really does look like a very, very dark mauve or dark purple. It is blue, so it definitely has more hints of cold in it. It is pretty cool. I definitely like this darker one a little bit better in contrast to the orange. And we'll kind of put them side to side here. This is the deep blue next to the orange. Very, very polarizing colors, but also very, very unique colors. I don't think we've ever had a year where we've had such, powerful and just like full of character colors. This is definitely the year where if you want to make a statement with your iPhone in terms of colorways, go ahead, man. Cosmic orange, deep blue. But I do like this deep blue. I'll be having a dedicated kind of like an in-depth review on this 17 Pro Max. We're gonna keep the orange one for the day in the life. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you stick around, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on it. But this is what the deep blue colorway looks like. Pretty cool. We'll have a side by side with the silver in a second when I open it. Now, last but definitely not least, we have the silver colorway. But before we get into this one, if you guys are picking up the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, then you're definitely going to want to match your colors. If you want to show off your style or if you want to protect your phone, then I suggest picking up all the new cases and accessories from MoFT. Now, this year when it came to accessories and cases and all of the stuff, MoFT did not hold back, man. They just went all out. They brought so much stuff, and the best part is that they've paid attention to have something that's catered towards the new iPhones. So here we have the new MoFT snap case. We have it in the orange colorway. It's not exactly the orange color from the iPhone. So these are some of their new cases. This is the MoFT snap case, and they have them in all the 3 colors that match the iPhones. And as you'll see here, this is one of their boxes for the iPhone. So this is really, really cool. What we have here is a bunch of accessories. We have all of their new stuff. It's called the Snap Studio box. It's absolutely amazing. First of all, let's just give them a big props for packaging and presentation. It is absolutely amazing. But what you'll find here is their classic vlogging style equipment. So this is one of their stands. It just allows you to prop up your phone, which is really, really convenient. This is one of my favorite accessories that they have. They have this brand new pouch here that you can put like a card, and has a whole like pull tab system. It's so like fancy and elegant, and it's really nice. I will definitely be using this new case, this new like wallet for the phone. This obviously provides a lanyard cable, so you're going to be able to hook up this lanyard to your phone. And now if we'll open to this side here, this is the all white MoFT case for the 17 Pro Max, which is kind of my favorite, man. I gotta say, man, right now in terms of the lineup, the silver one with the white case is gonna look absolutely clean. It's gonna be super mint. It even comes with a double-sided strap for an Apple Watch, which is made of this really nice leather feel material. It's really high quality. I'm just gonna put a deep blue phone here in this case, and now look at how nice that looks. You have a hint here of color, so you can show off which iPhone you're rocking, and then you have the matching case. And obviously the MoFT cases are super premium. They feel so, so nice. They have a brand new redesign for the camera control here, so it's gonna fit perfectly, and it's gonna mimic the camera control button on the iPhone, so you'll have to worry about nothing. It's fully adapted, and it also features a nice tactile button for the action button, so it's great. Overall compatibility and feature is great. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit more colorful and you really want to stand out, then you can do this orange combination here, which I think looks pretty badass. So it's going to be a really nice combination to have for the 17 Pro Max. If this is what you're into, I suggest doing that. Now, obviously with these, you can combine, you can add other stuff. They have color matching. Like I said, most of the devices, most of the accessories are color matching nowadays for this. When it comes to MoFT, if you want to use their creator kit, you can just prop this up on the back, and there you go. You have a full orange setup and everything you can customize, and this is their creator kit. Now this basically allows you to hold it up and prop it as maybe like a display, or you want to use it for vlogging or for editing. You can even hold it like on the side to kind of like vlog yourself or record. It's very versatile, but the best part is that if you want to really rock your colors, this is the best way to do it. So if you guys are picking up the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, they have cases for both sizes. You'll be able to pick them up. As you'll see here, it is an absolute premium product. If you want to get the best of the best for your iPhone, then I suggest going for MoFT. I want to give them a big thank you for making this video possible and for sending all of this my way. Now, I'm pretty confident that after seeing this combo, you guys will also pick it up. So I've left everything in the description down below. Now, with all that said, let's get into the silver colorway unboxing. All right, so last but definitely not least, we got the silver colorway, which is actually pretty cool. If I'm debating. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about the 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange, but maybe down the line I might actually just end up sticking with this silver one just because it looks really clean. It really will all come down to this part here. If it's really white and it just looks off, I might not keep it, but all right, moment of truth, let's get into this. Oh, but it does look nice. Hold on, man, wait. Okay, no, this is gas. Now, this silver one is definitely the way to go. This is fire, bro. No, this is my favorite. This is my favorite, absolute favorite out of all the three. Done and deal. That's it. I don't even have to think about it a few times. Compared to this, nah, the silver one's just, bro, this is aura right here, bro. Silver surfer vibes. This is insane. This is my favorite one by far. Now, this one right here is definitely my favorite. It looks absolutely amazing. It's just like, I don't know, there's something about this really light silver finish. Oh man, this is absolutely amazing. This is definitely my favorite one. I know I'm glazing it like crazy, but now I know I seem to be glazing this phone a lot, but man, this silver colorway is definitely the nicest out of all of them. I don't know. There's something so clean and pristine about this. It's kind of like, it's probably the first time we have such a nice matte finish. I don't know, like the Cosmic Orange is cool, but again, it is very bright and colorful. It's definitely not for everyone. If you want to make a statement piece, man, get this orange one. But I gotta say, if we put all of these three side by side, it is a no-brainer to me that the silver is the nicest looking one. So side by side, guys, Obviously, for me, it's kind of like a no-brainer. The silver one is definitely my favorite. I do like the orange. Don't get me wrong. I think the Cosmic Orange is a great implementation, great idea on Apple's behalf to give something very unique and just mark the iPhone 17 Pro as kind of its unique, you know, line. Definitely with this new design and the new color, it's gonna stand out. It's gonna look like a brand new iPhone. People will be able to recognize it as the 17 Pro immediately. But again, small video, quick little showcase of the colors. I'm gonna have a bit of a close-up for every single colorway here really quickly before I send you guys off. Or I'm also gonna be having some B-roll right after this segment, so you guys can have a better look at these phones. If you ever wanna come back to this video and use it as kind of like reference point for a purchasing moment, if you wanna buy one of these phones and you wanna come back and check it out on this video, then you absolutely can. I'll be here on the channel. Once again, I want to give a big thank you to MoFT for making this video possible. And this is it, iPhone 17 Pro in all the colors. Only 3 colors this year, but again, I have to try something. I have to try something. I've been wanting to, I wanted to try the white MoFT case on the, oh my God. This is my setup right here. Ooh, this is it, guys, right here. Remember this combo. This is fire, man. The white case on the silver phone. Nah, man, this is a next level of aura, man. This is fire right here. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. More videos on the iPhones coming out. As soon as I can get them out, they will be out. iPhone Air, iPhone 17, it's all gonna be on the channel. So subscribe for that so you don't miss out on it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.